Yay, and we are live. Okay, cool. So what we are doing here is super awesome stuff, obviously, and it's all about AI and all about GPT. So let me just remember. I'll share the screen. First of all, we have lots of GPT. Nope. Collab. There you go. We have actually we have a Discord channel for that. So okay, let me just send a note that we are starting now. Okay. So we have a number of POCs running at the same time. Each POC has a Google Colab link, and also some of them already start having the repositories because we will be deploying them. Oh, okay. So, haha. Let me see if I have access to this one. I'm not sure about this. Let's see. So this is the playground that the OpenAI, the company, provides, which we can use to kind of trial things, even without using the Jupyter. Ah, okay. So it didn't. Oh no, it did. Okay, it just took time to load. Can you list name mention on this page? Oh wow. Yeah, cool. Can you list all the names mentioned on this page? Do a web search and get information on these people regarding their. I think the English should be in category key provided. Okay, so I can't run it. Yeah. But I guess it was running for whoever was running it, which was pretty cool. Well, it's the year of birth. Not exactly at the, but if this works, this will be so cool. If it can really do the web search, I doubt it does the web search. But who knows? Yeah, why not? If this is, yeah, really cool. Yeah. So that's an example of what we are doing here. We really need to get PEP2. This is PEP2. Okay. So we really need to get the PEP people, and we don't want to do it manually. We want to do it using the PEP is a politically exposed people. So this is a good example. This website has actually, what if I do, oh, wait, I can't run it because it's got the wrong key. So I don't think it's just unrunnable right now. So whoever ran it will have to run it again. It was Hui. Now, so it's one example of what we are doing. Next example. Next example is actually, let me show you the Discord. So we have a few. So this is what I just showed. So ask GPT to provide list of PEPs. That's what we do. Ideally, we need a source of all PEPs. So that's what we did with the playground. And now let me see if there were any changes to the repo last week. There you go. Oh yeah, so we got some code here. This CSV. Oh, we can try to run it maybe. How do I run this code? Um, Thinking. Maybe. Oh, sorry, who is that? Raja? Ramon. So, but you didn't do this, did you? Oh, you did this. Oh, yeah, yeah, Ramon. Yeah, yeah, I can see you now. Yeah, okay, cool. Sorry, I thought because, I thought it was who because, but he just did the playground. Yeah, but you did the code, yeah? Okay, cool. So, yeah, let's talk about this then. Um, yeah, how do I run it actually? I think I have Python installed. So first I'll clone that repo. Yeah, in uh, and yep, no worries. Okay. Oh, really? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We definitely need to split it. Yeah, and then I think I can help with that as a developer. So most probably you're just doing it like all at the same time. So if you just kind of stagger them and maybe even add some delay between the requests, that should help. Let's have a look at your code. Yeah, yeah, time delay. Yeah. Well, usually like if you're just doing it in the loop, it means just it will just send requests all at the same time. At least maybe without time delay, but wait for the first request to come back, then do the other one also helps. But anyway, yeah, so let's look at your latest code. Create a CSV. Okay, okay. Get names data. So where's this called? Get names data. Oh, okay. Okay. Longest names list. So you already have the list, right? So we are providing the list of names. Uh, oh no, wait. We are providing the. So we really ask for this. I'm not sure if it. Yeah, let's just verify that to begin with. Can you actually, instead of leadership, can you just remove the last bit, the leadership, and try again? Because I can't run it. As you can see, it just says wrong API key provided. Maybe because we just log in as different user. So maybe I have to provide my own. I don't know. Maybe you can share the screen and show how you do it. Okay. So Daryl, just for your information, what we are doing now. So PEP is the politically exposed people. We need to get the full list of them from all over the world. It's a huge list. We need like an enriched database with this kind of people. So what we are trying now to do is, what if we just ask AI to look at the URL? Because it's much easier to get the list of URLs and to the list of people from each URL, right? So what if we can just feed it a URL and ask, hey, browse that URL and tell me all the people you find there, something like this. So I don't think actually it would be, if you ask it to browse the URL, I don't think it will actually go and Google it in real time and browse to that URL. I think because it already cached a lot of URLs when it was trained, it can already can relate to its memory. Yeah, go back to its memory and know that, I already looked at that URL, but it could be old, which could be a problem, could be not a problem. Yeah, because data will probably not be that old anyway. So we're fine with that as a prototype. But I'm just really curious to know will it actually do anything. If you go instead of leadership, just go about us because it will be on a different page. Let's see if it can still go like sub page. Yeah, I don't know. Mhm. That's okay. Daryl, any questions? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so show me the code where you are actually requesting it one by one. Mhm. Yeah, get the name. Yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. No, that's fine. Yeah, of course. Okay, so the create. I'm just wondering if that is um, a synchronous call or a synchronous call. That's the only thing. Actually, I don't know how to do async, async in Python. I don't know actually. Async features in Python. So what is synchronous? Yeah, synchronous is it just makes a call and waits for it to get resolved. So I'm not sure like that call to create, will it actually send a request and wait, or it will just send a request and keep going with the code? That's my question. Yeah. Um, Wait a moment. So who are these people? Where the list is coming from? Oh, so you fed it. You're feeding this list. Yeah. So it's just your test file. Wow. No, there's not. There can't be so many people there. Mm, maybe use another AI to verify. Wait, sorry. Why this list is so short? You just showed me a much longer list. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I think, wait, is there any error message why? We need to understand why it's unable to do request. If it's because you are making them too fast, like you should also include the reason here, error message, yeah, so that you just know why. Yeah, I think it's because of the concurrency. So what I found is was like article. It's very long actually, but it's kind of explaining the concurrency. Uh, so I'll just post it in our channel so you can have a look and maybe it will give you some idea. Um, okay. Yep. Okay. Well, I need to invite one more person to the meeting. Yeah. So I think first things first, we need to understand whether this message is because of the data we're supplying or because it can't answer it or because of this concurrency thing. Yeah. So if it's the limit per second exceeded, then we need to solve that first. Yeah. So it shouldn't be happening. Now I found this article again, like, but it's a bit. So I'm not a Python developer actually. Yeah, I'm more a JavaScript guy. So, but there is like a lot of synchronous non-blocking HTTP calls. But what we are looking for is synchronous, synchronous. Building a synchronous web server, synchronous programming. There you go. So for whatever reason, it says a queue here. Oh, to put things in a queue, take them again. Yeah, I don't know. To me, it sounds a bit too complicated if you have to kind of add things into queues and then execute them. It's like a bit too complicated. I wonder because in JavaScript you just do await in Python. I'm not sure if there's await in Python. Back to the event log. There you go. Maybe there is. Await to new Python keyword. So, oh yeah, see, new. So this is a recent concept. Maybe it was not introduced. Well, see. Let's see if it's in our version. If it's available or not. Await. Yeah, there you go. So await, sleep, and it will just wait for like 1 second or 1 millisecond here. Yeah. And then you also go await together. So can you just try just right now, just put await before the request, the create method. No, it's inside the loop where you have, uh, let me check your code again. So where, where is it? Is it the first one, get the longest, or filter names, get names data? So in this while, see, wherever you have a request here in the loop, just await. Try to await like this. Oh, no. Okay. Only within async. Wait, for that you have to do this function async. I'm not sure how to do async. Maybe like this. Maybe not. Async. Yeah. So this worked. Async def. But why this didn't work? Let's see. Can it be as? No. Okay, that's fine. So this is just about. Sorry, I put the weight in the wrong place. Should be here. There you go. So this will work. See? Yeah. So then what it will do, it will most probably, because I think this is the future, it returns the future. I don't know what it exactly it returns. Go to definition. I don't know how Python works with futures, but yeah, so maybe it will work. Okay, just try it. While you're trying it, hi Nandine, how are you doing? Good, thanks. Okay, we're doing some WebGPT today. Now, okay, cool. So you can read through the channels. So there are playbooks there as well. And if there is any particular thing you or Daryl also feel free to kind of work on any of these prototypes. So first, what we'll do them in the playbook. So I can just show you one of the playbooks and how it works there. Yeah, cool. Okay, awesome. So let's just go through maybe if you have any questions, yeah, just ask me. This is like also a Q&A session. Okay, so I'll just go through them briefly to refresh. So ask GPT to provide list of PEPs. So that's what we're discussing today. We just ask to look at the URL and provide the list of PEPs from there. That's what we were talking about now. Then another POC is to classify a person. So we give it a person, just any name. Yeah, like you can choose your name. Yeah, and ask it if it's a PEP or not, like giving it the definition of PEP. So there are a couple of playgrounds there as well. In fact, you know what I would do? I would create so I'm not sure this collab is working, or we can, there is nothing there. I think it was just a copy. I just cloned it, but there was nothing there. Let me have a look. If not, you can just go for it here. Yeah, there we go. So it's just for Pep first. So this was just the, um, oh no, no, sorry. Somebody worked on it, obviously. So we go two people here. Let's try to run it. Run all. See what it does. Yes, and the is a Pep. He is a leader of the room. Yes, Donald Trump is a Pep. Okay. Let me add myself here, maybe. See how it goes. Um, why it's why I think it's just a jump here. Oh, sorry. How is it supposed to work? I understand. Obviously some. Oh, I don't understand. Did I screw it up or it's authentication error? API key provided, of course. Your API key. Uh-huh. So this API key. Whew. First of all, actually, can anyone understand how we can actually hide the keys. How we're supposed to use the keys? Even here, I don't understand. So does it get issued per the person? So I'm here. API keys. So does it mean that there you go? This is my key. So why it doesn't want to use it? Who wants to know Jupyter better? Maybe we can understand how the keys are supposed to be stored here, but not be visible because we don't want to expose it. So yeah, one of the questions, one of the tasks, I guess, one of the POCs here we can work on. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't think it's related to this. Continue. There's no way to. Oh no, maybe it is. No worries. Yeah, we'll take it from here. Thanks very much. So you pushed everything, yeah? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, no worries. Cheers, bye. No worries. Yes, yeah. Bye. Okay. So guys, do you have Python on your machines installed? Yeah. Okay, fine. So feel free to. So I just cloned that repo, and I will also try to do it on my side, and you feel free to do it. Um, Actually, I don't know how he ran it. Which command to run Python? I don't even know. Run Python script. I'm a JavaScript guy again. Keep repeating this. There you go, Python 3. Oh, as simple as that. Python 3 at test UI. maybe like this. Maybe what? Web. Oh, test. Sorry. There you go. Import. Yes. Yeah. So I need to install the dependencies. What is it? Pip install? No. How do I install? All. Isn't there a requirements file? No. Should be requirements file to do the dependencies. Ah, we don't have it here. Okay, fine. Open AI, was like this. Okay, okay, this will take a while. Any other questions, guys? So I posted this question, how we can actually secure the API keys. And going back to that as well. So will this work now? I don't know. Same. No, no, no. This one shows incorrect API key provided. Just doesn't like my key. Yeah, I changed it. I generated new one. Weird. Huh. Okay. I don't know. Maybe my key got blocked because we just used it too much. I don't know. ZZ. ZZ. So that's the new one. Okay, so I can't do anything anymore. Hmm. This was the syntax error, I think. I don't know why it's like this. It should be like this. Okay. Yeah, but without the key. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with this one. Maybe I'll spend some time on my own trying to do it. Uh, you guys can try with your keys. And also, we just need to understand also how to kind of do it with your own key, maybe copy paste it. Like there could be like a prompt. You can ask like for a key as a prompt, so you don't have to save it here and expose it. Or we can just save it once, upload it, and then it's kind of there as an environment variable. So you don't actually need to so we don't need to show it in the code. That's I think the problem. So we can also work on that. Other than that, yeah. Hmm. So it's definitely showing this key or not? Let me check. Where's the key? API key. Oh, API key, we just set it first. And then we just try to run it. Okay. Hmm. Weird. Okay, so I guess any of my notebooks that I created before would not be working, I guess. We'll have to deal with this somehow. But anyway, so try to generate your own keys. I think it's allowing you some free um, sample, maybe. Oh, I'm not sure actually. Uh, and yeah, just try to play with those playbooks, notebooks, I mean. And let's see. Yeah, so this code was working before also, and it's obviously failing now. The same one. Yeah, okay, so I'll have to deal with this. Yeah, understand what's going on with this. Maybe it's billing history. Maybe I'm overcharged already. Oh, $6. Whoa. So we already, yeah, $6. But it doesn't show any like overuse or anything like this. Interesting. Usage limits. There you go. Maybe it reached the limit, but I think if I said reach the limit, it would just um, current usage so far for January. Yeah, so the usage is just 50 cents. So it's not to do with the usage. Yeah, I'll have to deal with this. Maybe I'll contact support or something, or just browse some. Okay, notify me on 20 bucks, something like this. Okay, anyway, can't do much here. Any other questions before we close this? Yeah, just get your head around it, understand the cases that we are working on. Like, do you have any more questions about the what we are doing here? Or it's more or less clear? Yeah, because it's a public information. Yeah, we only use public sources. Yeah, yeah, we can use, well, we can scrape using anything. Yeah, I think no, I think yeah, I think it could be a problem if you're scraping some like protected information like that you can only like access like with a login of someone. So you're pretending someone else to scrape the data. But if it's we are only using the publicly available information. So I don't think it's a problem. Yeah, yeah. Daryl, you have a question? Yeah, that's what we are doing right now. But then, but it gets exposed. It gets shown on the Jupyter, which is not good. Like I don't want it to be shown because we're sharing this notebook as well. So I would rather like keep it hidden. Yeah. So that's my question. Like, how can you just store it in Jupyter Notebook, but so it doesn't show it, not store it as a text, but store it as an environment variable somewhere that can be used by, so you can still use it, but it doesn't get shown on the screen because we're also sharing this session, let's say on YouTube. Yeah. And I don't want this key to be exposed even on the videos. Yeah. So that's the problem. So maybe you also can investigate that because it will just make you better users, better um, professionals because you would know this tricks of trade. Okay, I think that's it for today then, because we can't do much without the keys. And oh wait, let me check if it got installed. At least I can try to run it. Okay, successfully installed. Let me try to run it, and we'll see where it gets us. Boom. App test. Boom. App test. No, no. No, I don't know. Can't stop it. Yeah, there we go. I don't understand what happened. Oh, he mentioned it takes time, takes a while, but why does it take a while? I don't understand. Without any messages. Is there like what gets run first? I'm not sure. Web test. Yeah, maybe I can just this. It doesn't even say starting. Weird. Again, I'm super new to Python. Oh, starting. Yeah, okay. So it started and then, yeah, I guess it goes through here. Maybe the same deal now with my key. It will just reject my key. Don't know. Okay, I guess this we'll talk about in the next session. But yeah, so for now, just yeah, familiarize yourself with the problem and with the yeah, with the questions. Okay.